Hi, I'm Jane. I'm on the retreat in Spain at the moment, and quite frankly, if you're having any doubts about coming, don't. The whole thing from start to finish has been something else. The whole vibe, the whole group dynamic, there isn't one person that isn't like-minded, and we've had such a it's been a privilege really to talk to all these other people being so open. It's been fabulous. Please come. It is just the best thing. The environment, the peace, the tranquility. I've come away. Well, I haven't come away yet, thankfully, but I will come away with such a feeling of inner peace I haven't felt for many years. It's been amazing. The venue is, you can't explain. The food has been, I'm not a vegetarian, but the vegetarian food has been varied, colourful, plentiful, something else. I mean, the Pilates every morning has been a joy. The yoga that I haven't done much of has been a joy. I mean, we do meditation up on a platform with the sun coming up. You couldn't ask for better. Just come if you get the opportunity.